Orphle monster truck too!
Huh? What's that?
Doubler has doubled Orphle! Oh no! That means double trouble!
You didn't mean to double them. It was an accident.
Ah! Monster truck, Orphle? Not in my... Whoa! Ah!
They're getting away! Faster, Morphle! Get us close to the Orphles so Doubler can undouble them.
Gotcha!
Don't worry, Doubler. Everything's going to be okay.
More Orphles?
Oh no! That means double trouble! Look out, Orphle! I mean, Orphles!
They're out of control! The Orphle's landing in the sea!
We gotta save them! Morphle, morph into a giant robot! Hang on, everybody!
I can't look! Zap them, Doubler!
But you're Orphle.
Oh, right! And one Orphle is plenty.
Is everybody ready for the great dinosaur race?
Yeah!
You'll start here in the park, then swim at the beach. Then whoever gets to the top of Mount Petport first wins the trophy.
Let's do it!
Someone say trophy.
Winston and Orphle?
Us race too. Watch out, because C-Rex, my magic match is awesome in the water. Yeah! We're not a magic match at all, and Dino's way too small. How can I win anything when our powers only make me sing?
Great thinking, Minka.
Oh, well, we can race now.
The rules are dinos only, but no flying dinos allowed. Yeah!
Morph into a Triceratops too, Zorfle.
Mimic own dinosaur!
A Stegoraptor? Awesome!
On your marks, get set.
Go!
Go there! Let's go!
That'll stop them.
Morphle, we've got to do something before everybody falls in! Yes!
Yeah! We're not going fast, but we're having a blast.
Oh, here they come! Time for the swimming part of the race.
Quick! Morph into a Brachiosaurus too, Gorfle.
Mimic own dinosaur!
A Brachiosaurus Rex. Yes! A Whirlpool? That will stop them.
Huh?
Hang on, Mila and Morphle.
Thanks, T-Rex!
Come on now, you're doing great. give up, it's not too late.
It's the last part of the race. To the top of Mount
Let's
Petport!
do it, Morphle!
Morph into something that can fly, Morphle. A Pterodactyl. Yeah!
Hey! No flying dinos, Winston!
Haha, we're going to win.
We have to save them!
Keep on climbing, you know where. Come on now, we're almost there.
The winners are Jordy and Dino.
You did it, Jordy! Congratulations!
This is your fault, Awful.
Never!
Oops. I knew we could do it, even at that pace. 'Cause slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah!
The floor is hot. Don't touch it.
Whoops. What the Jello is happening?
Jello lava?
Help! What a delicious disaster! Whoa, whoa.
We have to rescue them!
Mila, help!
But how are we going to do it?
Good thinking, Morphle!
Yuck!
Get me out of this.
Don't worry, Officer Freeze. We'll rescue you. Here we come!
Well, I guess we should help. Right, Molly? Aww. Pull as hard as you can.
Thank you, Jello rescuers.
Help me! I'm stuck!
Look, it's Geraldo.
Morphle, can you pull this van out? Got it, Mina! Got it, Mina! Morphle, let's go! Pull, Morphle!
Thanks for rescuing me! Who would like an ice cream? Huh?
Mila, help!
Sorry, we don't have time to eat. Wait, that's it! Eat the Jello!
They're gonna rescue us by eating all the Jello? Ha! Genius! Whoa!
There's just too much Jello. Perfect idea.
Super slurping Morphle.
Huh? Whoa!
Grab them. Daddy, got you. Morphle fall. Morphle never want Jello again.
6 more laps to go.
Mila and Morphle win!
No way. Whoa.
Inkrock, could you make that direction sign bigger, please?
Huh? Oh no, I'd run out of power.
I know! Animi, if you could bring the go-kart to life, we can keep racing.
Giant baby dolls.
Inkra, Animi, come back!
How are we going to stop those baby dolls?
I have no idea. But if we work together, I know we'll find a way. Twisters! Let's go!
A giant roller skating baby? That's not something you see every day.
It thinks we're a toy car! If it wants a toy, then let's give it one. Morphle, please morph it to a giant teddy bear.
Oh no.
It wants to cuddle. We gotta get it back to the Magic Pet Center so Inkra and Nimi can turn it back to normal. Watch out! Inkra and Nimi, zap that giant baby!
This is getting out of control. Don't those babies ever get tired?
Jordy, that's it! You're a genius!
I am.
Yeah, babies need nap time. So let's play them a lullaby to put them to sleep. Morphle, morph into a music box.
Wow!
Okay, let's make these babies sleepy. Hey, babies, check this out.
Doesn't it make you really sleepy?
Inkra, Animi, zap them!
See, when we work together, we're all winners. What feels funny, Giggle Bunny?
Oh.
Let Dr. Mila take a look. They seem okay to me.
Oh. Giggle Bunny's arm might need a bandage, Dr. Mila.
Can you make this look like a bandage, please, Nurse Chroma? Thanks, Nurse Chroma.
Hi, everyone. Giggle Bunny and Chroma. It's time to go.
Did you hear that? There'll be 2 magic pets in the Petmobile. This is our chance to get them.
Looks like someone is hungry. That was fun. Now, let's get going. See you later. Hey! Winston and the bandits have the pets.
Don't worry, we'll get them back. Morphle, morph into an ambulance so we can zoom after them. Let's go!
Be careful.
You look ridiculous.
Don't say another word. Get us out of here.
If only we had a bulldozer, we could go over this easier.
That's a great idea.
Stop right there. Don't tell me what to do.
Faster, Morphle! They're getting away! A fire truck can catch up to them. Yes! Morphle, morph into a fire truck, please.
It's not funny.
Raise the ladder, Morphle. Now let's stop these bandits. Take that! Aw, hello, you two.
I give up.
Dr. Mila, I think they need your help.
Oh, I actually liked our new color.
Cool. Here's our Father's Day card for Daddy. Have you got his present, Mila?
Ta-da!
You're giving Daddy his slippers.
Yeah, but I'm going to make them even more brilliant. Animi, please bring them to life.
Funny slippers. Are you sure this is a good idea?
Well, are you all ready? Daddy's here!
Happy Father's Day!
Oh, thank you.
Here's your present.
Whoa! Whoa! What's going on?
We brought your slippers to life. Now they can love you as much as you love them.
Oh, thank you guys. What a unique gift. We're all going out now, so I've got to take you off. Oh, I can't take them off.
Uh-oh. We gotta get those slippers off of Daddy's feet.
You come with me, Anini.
Help me! Help me!
Those slippers are so fast.
Get them off me! Please stop, please stop, please stop, please stop!
Follow them, Morphle. Go as fast as you can. Morphle, get Daddy! Oh no. Morphle, get Daddy any way you can.
Get these things off my feet!
Yes! Great shot, Morphle.
Oh, thank you for catching me. Now please, take my slippers off.
Come on, slippers! Smelly slippers stack! What are we going to do? Come on!
Guys?
They love Daddy! Morphle! Morph into a Daddy disguise! I'm Daddy, and I want my slippers! Where are my comfy old slippers? No, Jordy! Got you!
Quick, Animi, zap those slippers!
Phew! Happy Father's Day, Daddy!
Thank you, Mila. I think I like them more like this.
Ooh, what are you painting, Morphle? Morphle paints Mila! Well, it's a lovely portrait. Thank you, Morphle.
Wow. Great work, April.
Thanks, Jordy. Oh, fun! Over artist love green!
He's gonna turn Petport into Paintport.
We have to stop him! Morphle, chase that paintbrush! Paintbrush chaser!
Who's a beautiful shiny police car? You are.
Green better!
No! My beautiful car! He went that way.
We'll get him, Officer Freeze! Let's stop Orphle! There he is!
Oh, whoa!
Catch him, Morphle! Got you! Hey, what's happening?
Whoa!
Our beautiful town is so messy!
It's all clean again. You are. That too. Oh, no!
Beautiful! Stop it, Morphle! Never pets! No, stop, Orphle!
Yes, stop Orphle. You messed up the whole town.
Huh? Green, pretty! You can't just paint everything without asking. Sorry. How are we going to clean it all up? Nothing now. Over help! Mommy, give town salad!
Oh. Thank you. You look so beautiful.
Painting town fun! Cleaning more fun! Thank you, Bubble Bear.
Guys, I think Animi brought the bubbles to life.
Bubble monster!
It's massive! Wow! Bubble Bear makes some really big bubble fin to play with.
Ah, a giant bubble? Not in my...
Huh? Mom, watch out! Whoa, what's happening? This is getting out of control fast.
Huh? Oh no! Ah!
This is a bubbly catastrophe. How are we going to get down?
I think we need to worry about what he's going to do next.
Guys, we've got to get out of here.
Quick, Morphle! Morph into something with big teeth and pop this bubble. Okay, Mila. Jumbo! Oh no. I know how we can all escape. Morphle, morph into a flying robot. Now pop this bubble.
Great work, Morphle.
Time to stop that bubble monster. Be gentle, Morphle. Bye. Bye-bye, tiny bubble monster. Yeah! Hang on, everybody. We're gonna burst your bubbles.
Get ready to make bubble thrusts to land on, Bubble Bear.
Let's go!
Thank you, sweetheart. You're the best.
You're welcome. Now let's get the Magic Pet Center down. Hold on, Daddy. Yes!
Phew.
Quick, Morphle! Hit Judah! We did it!
What a bouncy, bubbly day.
I forget Johnny! Didn't get me, but we will! You got me, but now I'll get you. Hey, we've run out of balloons. I'll get some more.
Hi, everyone. Meet Mood Monkey.
Wow! According to my pet primer, she can change people's moods and make them happy, sad, or even cranky. Cool!
A magic pet that changes people's moods? Well, I'm in the mood for making her my magic pet.
gotta get him, Morphle!
I've run out of bananas, Mood Monkey. Oh, now I feel so sad.
Winston, stop! Give back Mood Monkey! Mood Monkey's powers made Winston sad. No, Morphle clan! Oh no! Moon Monkey's turned us sad too. I feel so cranky. Winston, you're in my way! Get back here, mister! Morphle, morph into something really big so we can separate those two. Morphle! I'll get you, Winston!
Ah, get away from me!
Got you! Oh no, we need to turn Mood Monkey over!
I'll help her.
No, I want to! Morphle, do it!
I'll do it.
No, let me!
Ah!
I feel happy again! Mood Monkey, we're sorry we argued about helping you instead of actually helping you. Morphle happy! 3, 2, 1, blast off! Blasting off 2! Oh no! Wait! We gotta get him back! 3, 2, 1, blast off! Woohoo! Wow, this is out of this world! Yeah, baby's going moon! Morphle, we're gonna need a moon landing. They're not listening. They just want to play games. Play games. That's it. We need them to play with us so they get tired. Tag, you're it, Jordy. This is so much fun. You're it. Ah, you tagged me. Now I'm going to tag you, babies. It's working. The babies are getting tired. Gotcha. Huh? They're chasing each other through an asteroid field. Ooh, that can't be good. Let's go. Well, at least she's safe for now. Hurry, Morphle! Morphle, say, baby! You're safe now! But where's Fifi? Fifi! I can't reach. We have to stop that asteroid. Morphle! Morph into the biggest thing you've ever morphed into! A planet! Won't the asteroid crash? Not if it's a bouncy planet! Bouncy planet? Okay, Mila! Bouncy planet! You What a beautiful day for a picnic.
Keep up, Claude. It's picnic time.
Morphle love picnics.
Slow down, Morphle. And don't forget to eat some veggies.
That's no problem for Inkra.
Bah, this jelly is tiny. Huh? If I grab that magic pet, it can make my jelly huge. Boo!
Winston! What are you up to?
Making my jelly massive. Go, Claude! Oh yeah, Inkra made my jelly ginormous!
Winston, Inkra didn't make your jelly big. She made us tiny.
We gotta get to Inkra so she can turn us back to regular size.
Morphle now.
Let's go! Yeah!
Guys, what's that?
It sounds like Claude purring, only bigger.
Much bigger.
Oh no! He wants to play!
Quick, Morphle! Get us out of here! Phew, that was close.
What are we going to do?
Let's go to the top of the hamper to get Ingra's attention.
We're so high.
Inkra! Over here! Help!
She can't hear us.
And we can't get to her without Claude seeing us.
I've got a plan. I'll bounce off the jelly and shout in Claude's ear. He listens to me.
Well, if you think it'll work.
Watch this. I'm a genius!
Now we have to rescue Winston. Winston! We've got you!
Now we just need to get Ingra's attention.
I know! Grab some broccoli! Now fly to Inkra! Inkra, please make us big again. We'll give you broccoli. Phew. Here you are, Inkra.
Jelly?
Ugh, I've had enough jelly for one day.
Oh, Winston. Is everyone ready to play Capture the Flag?
Don't you mean are we ready to win Capture the Flag?
Yeah! We'll see about that.
A reminder of the rules. Team Morphle has to capture the green flag and take it to our red castle.
And Team Orphle has to capture the red flag and take it to their green castle.
The first team with both flags on their castle are the winners.
And remember, stretchy arms are not allowed, okay?
Ouch!
Let's play! Yeah!
Spread out! We need to stop them! Excellent! Now let's grab their flag! Now let's get this whole castle and win the game!
Stop them, Orphle! Even faster!
Well done! You lost them, Snorkel!
Now it's Orphle!
That's what I said.
We need to grab their green flag!
Ha-ha! get past us.
What are we going to do?
Oh, Morphle now! Morphle! Wait, what? Where'd they go? Quick, grab those flags!
Hey, that's cheating! We've won! We did say no stretchy arms, Orphle.
But don't worry, you promised not to cheat this time. We can play again. Let's
You're so good at that, Morphle. Whoa! What's happening? Those vines look angry and alive. Watch out! Get us away from them! Ooh, that was close. Mila! Morphle! Jordy! Help! Jenny's in trouble! We have to save her! Gotcha! Thank you.
What's happening to Petport?
It's Shrubcub. She's sick. Whenever she sneezes, more vines grow. She's stuck on that flower and I couldn't get to her. What should we do? When Morphle's sick, I always give him magic tea. Let's go back to the Magic Pet Center and get her some.
But how are we going to get in?
Morphle, we need a plant-eating creature.
And better make it a big one. Yes, it's working!
Whee!
Shrubcub sneezing makes more and more vines grow.
Mila! Got it!
Whoa, put me down!
Shrubcub can't control her powers. She's going to get herself stuck in that flower. Hi, Aunt Augustine.
Hello, Mila. I'm having a slight gardening issue.
Don't worry, we're on the way to stop those vines.
Quickly!
Morphle stuck! Morphle! Morphle to a dragon! Good job, Morphle! Hold on tight! No! Shrubcub! We're too late. She's stuck. Jenny, you can't give up. Your magic pet needs you more than ever. Aww. Shrubcub, I'm here. I'm gonna make you better. Everyone, pull! Shrubcub gonna sneeze! Give her this! She's better! Yes! Do you think you can help us save the city?
Yay! Shrubcub's using her power to get rid of the vines.
Thank you all. Magic Match Love is the best medicine in the world.
This stuff's good too.
Don't worry, Morphle. Animi, could you bring this sponge to life, please? I love magic pets.
Oh, Daddy.
Stop! You have to pay for those ice creams. Oh no, my car.
You'll never catch us.
I know. Animi, bring Officer Freeze's car to life so he can catch those naughty bandits.
I'm not sure this is a good idea.
Come back, Animi!
It's driving itself. Help!
Well, That wasn't supposed to happen.
We need to stop that police car.
But how? Aha! Morphle! Morph into a tow truck. Let's go! Use your hook, Morphle. No!
Ha 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 ha. The police car's out of control, and the bandits are getting away.
We gotta go fast. Oh, Morphle now. I'm going to call Daddy and see if he's found Anemi yet.
Huh? Oh no! They're heading towards the bridge.
What's wrong with that?
The bridge is up.
Morphle, do something!
Great shot, Morphle.
Oh, no. No. Oh, phew. Help me.
Let's get after him, Morphle!
Are you sure this is safe?
Enjoy the ride, Jordy!
Okay.
Whoa!
Hi, Daddy.
How are we going to stop that car?
Ooh, that's it! Morphle, morph into a giant sponge! Morphle,
Phew. Oh, thank you for saving me from my car.
No fair!
I'm taking you back to pay for your ice creams. And we're walking.
Aww, the day we became a magic match. Morphle loved me.
Are you guys ready?
I'm always ready for a swim. Morphle ready.
We're not just going for a swim. We're going to find Wishyfish.
Wishyfish?
Come on. I'll explain on the way.
Have fun, kids!
Bye, Daddy. Wishyfish is a really shy magic pet that lives deep in the ocean. She can make a single wish come true, but it only happens one day a year. So we gotta get there fast.
Morphle fast. Whee! Bloop, bloop. Morphle submarine. Fish pretty. Jordy, what will you wish for when you find Wishyfish?
Well, I want to find my magic match.
Eee! That's so exciting! It's Wishyfish!
No.
It's Wishyfish! It's Wishyfish! It's Wishyfish!
No, Morphle.
Look! Wishyfish! Whoa! Slow down, Morphle. She's really shy. Morphle, sorry. I'm stuck.
Oh no! We're gonna miss Wishyfish.
Don't worry, Jordy. It's not too late. Morphle, morph into something to free us from the seaweed. Morphle, chop, chop. Wow.
It's Wishyfish.
Quick, Jordy, make a wish.
Wishyfish, I wish to find my...
Wishyfish, snorkel. Don't worry, Jordy. Let's follow her into the ship. Come on.
Why does it have to be a spooky shipwreck?
There she is. Nice and slow so we don't spook her. Emil!
Wishyfish is stuck.
Morphle, morph into a big octopus to shake off its eel. Hello.
Bye. Wishyfish, we didn't mean for any of this to happen.
She's really stuck.
Wait, my wish.
Wait, now?
Wishyfish, I wish for you to be free.
Wow.
Goodbye, Wishyfish.
Jordy, you used your only wish to free Wishyfish. I'm so so proud of you.
Thanks, Mila.
Jordy, no magic match.
Well, I know I'm gonna find my magic match one day.
And until then, you have the two of us.
For love, Jordy. I love you too, guys, but you're really squeezing me.
My genius barbecue plan to catch Shrubcub is going to be awesome.
Shrubcub, make a vine for us to play on, please. Thanks, Shrubcub.
Look, there's that magic pet.
She looks like a lion, so she won't be able to resist these burgers.
Then you have a magic pet.
Oh, it's not tasty. What are Winston and those bandits up to? No, Shrubcub, come back.
She's coming. She's coming.
Those burgers aren't for you, Shrubcub.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Aww.
That's not the kitty I wanted. Get us out of here.
Uh-oh, we need to save them! See you soon! Good luck!
Go higher, go higher!
Help us! Morphle! Morph into a helicopter! Morphle rescue bandits! Got him!
Uh-oh.
Get that lion away from us!
Don't worry, he's only interested in burgers.
Only interested in burgers. That's it! Morphle! Morph into a giant burger! On roller skates! Morph! Come and get this nice burger!
It's working. Let's get out of here.
Morphle burger skate! Yee-haw! Oh, Morphle now! Oh, smell tasty! Yeah! Look how happy he is! We're back! Hooray! Let's open our mystery Dino egg toys! Ooh, I got a Diplodocus! Neat!
I've got a velociraptor.
Whoa, Morphle got T-Rex!
What are you lot up to?
Would you like an egg too, Winston?
Thanks. A pterodactyl? It's tiny, and it doesn't even do anything.
Inkra, Animi, a little help, please.
Ooh.
Ha ha! Gardening's easy with you two.
That's how I can make this silly little pterodactyl a lot better. Hey, you two! Boom! Ha ha! I'm a genius!
Huh?
Put me down! I'm not your baby!
I don't know what's stranger, a huge pterodactyl flying around Petport, or that it thinks Winston is its baby.
Come on, let's go rescue him. Morphle get baby Winston.
Put me down!
Down, too fast.
Here's your ice cream.
Thank you.
They went that way!
Thanks, Gerardo!
No, I don't want it! It's not even a real ice cream, you silly bird!
Don't worry, Winston. We'll rescue you. He's keeping us away from its baby.
We've got to get the pterodactyl away from Winston. But how?
I know! Morphle, can you morph into a big egg with legs? Excellent job, Morphle!
Ingra! Animi! Zap it!
Whoa! What is going on here? Morphle, morph into a giant net and let's trap this dino.
Got it!
Animi, Inkra, zap it now! Here's your toy, Winston.
No way! I'm never playing with a toy dinosaur again. Never, ever!
Marva too hot to eat. Me too.
Let's go inside and cool down.
We've got a better idea. Hi, Eloisa. Hi, Slushy Seal. Slushy Seal, please make some Juicy Pops. Yeah! Thanks. These are so refreshing.
You're not too hot, are you?
No, we're nice and cool.
Yeah, got Juice Pops.
Oh, I wish the Magic Pet Center was a great big juice pop so we could cool down too.
You got it.
No, I was kidding.
You're welcome. No, wait. Come on, let's go and cool down the whole town.
This can't get any worse.
Actually, it can. Look! Eloisa and Slushy Seal are making everything really sticky. I don't think they realize what mess they're causing.
Oh no! The Magic Pet Center is starting to melt too!
We have to get Slushy Seal to turn everything back to normal. Never find Slushy Seal. Let's go! Hi, Officer Freeze. We're here to cool you down.
Whoa! But
You're welcome. Stay cool.
Wait, what?
Sorry, Officer Freeze.
Ugh.
Eloisa and Slushy Seal think they're helping everyone.
I guess they haven't noticed that everything's melting.
Uh-oh. Too sticky. I know. Morphle, morph into a jet plane and blast us out of here. Hey, you guys! Stop! Watch out! Morphle! Jordy! Oops, we didn't mean to do that.
Being a magic match gives you great power, but you have to be careful how you use it.
Otherwise, people could end up as Juice Pops. We're sorry. We know what to do. Morphin' the Juicy Pop!
Thanks, you two.
Now, let's get everything else back to normal. Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh, that's better.
Sorry about the mess. There, we've done it.
Thank you.
Woohoo!
Juice pops to celebrate?
I think we've had enough Juice Pops for one day, Daddy.
6 more laps to go.
Mila and Morphle win!
No way. Whoa.
Inkra, could you make that direction sign bigger, please?
Huh? Oh no, I'd run out of power.
I know. Animi, if you could bring the go-kart to life, we can keep racing.
Giant baby dolls!
Inkra and Amy, come back!
How are we going to stop those baby dolls?
I have no idea. But if we work together, I know we'll find a way. Twisters! Let's go!
A giant roller skating baby? That's not something you see every day.
It thinks we're a toy car! If it wants a toy, then let's give it one. Morphle, please morph it to a giant teddy bear.
Oh no. It wants to cuddle.
We gotta get it back to the Magic Pet Center so Inkra and Nimi can turn it back to normal. Watch out! Inkra and Nimi, zap that giant baby!
This is getting out of control. Don't those babies ever get tired?
Jordy, that's it! You're a genius!
I am.
Yeah, babies need nap time. So let's play them a lullaby to put them to sleep. Morphle, morph into a music box.
Wow!
Okay, let's make these babies sleepy. Hey, babies, check this out.
Doesn't it make you really sleepy?
Inkra, Animi, zap them!
See, when we work together,